Can you control your thoughts? Of course you can. It's very simple. So I relate my trip on Mount Kilimanjaro. On day 3, I fell and I hurt my left shoulder. And I had this pain, which meant that I could not have completed the other 2 days of the journey. But guess what? Through the power of my thoughts, I was able to reject the pain every time I felt it. And every time I rejected it, it will go away and come back after a short while. But I was so powerful enough that every time when I rejected it, it was gone forever. And I managed to successfully summit the mountain pain-free. So it's very simple. What I do on a daily basis now is whenever there is a negative thought that hits my mind, I reject it. It's a simple technique that you need to adopt because on a day-to-day basis, we have about 60,000 negative thoughts. So we need to keep rejecting this through social media, etc., and only think positive thoughts. Book a session with me at www.straighttalkwithnolan.com and let's engage further on how I can help you with the power of your thoughts.